So back in with another product spotlight video here at Carbonwurks. Today we're looking at Armaspeed. As you can see in front of us, we've got one of their awesome carbon fibre air intakes. So Armaspeed, the Taiwanese brand, don't be fooled. As you can see, it's top quality. They've been in the game for over 25 years now. First started out working with superchargers and then diversified into air intakes and all things carbon fibre. So not only do they offer carbon fibre air intakes, but also body parts for both cars and motorbikes, believe it or not. So on to the part in question. So this is our air intake kit for the Mini. This is carbon fibre inside and out, as you can see. The eagle-eyed amongst you may have spotted that we also had one of their systems on our G81 M3 Touring. Development car. We were super impressed with the volume, the actual tone and noise that was developed and the increased performance with their kit on that car. So we've got high hopes for this one on the F56 as well. So this is the full kit, as you can see in front of you. It's come pre-assembled for us, top and bottom lid together. You've got a great fitting instruction warranty leaflet pack there, which is all nicely branded up, as you can see. So that's helpful for everyone. A nice big sticker if you're that way inclined. And then a lifetime serviceable filter, and also your MAF or map sensor adapter intake tube, which will marry up to the intake pipe on the car. So I think that just about covers it. Again, the main thing is it's a full carbon air intake, as I showed you, top and bottom, at a competitive price point as well. So there are others available, but this one comes in at a more friendly rate. So we're going to get this fitted to our car today, see how we feel about this. Hopefully it stacks up to the predecessor part that we fitted on our G81. But Armaspeed have really helped us out on this one. They pretty much sponsored the installation of this on our Mini, so big shout out to them, and keep your eyes peeled for an installation video related to this product.